Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating piece of numismatic history, the Germany 50 euro cent 2002 G mint mark and 50 euro cent without mint mark. We'll delve into its value and its significance at heritage auctions. Let's get started. Firstly, let's take a closer look at this coin. This particular 50 euro cent coin was minted in 2002 and bears the AG mint mark, indicating that it was minted in Germany. Now, you might be wondering, what makes this coin so special? Well, the value of a coin is determined by various factors, including its rarity, condition. Now, let's talk about its rarity. The 50 euro cent coins with the 2002 G mint mark are not as common as you might think, due to their limited mintage and the fact that they are part of the first series of euro coins ever minted. These coins have become highly sought after by collectors worldwide. Coin grading plays a crucial role in determining its value. Grading agencies assess the coin's condition on a scale, ranging from a poor to a mint condition. The better the grade, the higher the coin's value. It's essential for collectors and investors to understand the grading standards when evaluating the worth of their coins. As of the latest heritage auctions, similar Germany 50 euro cent 2002 G mint mark coins in excellent condition have been known to fetch impressive prices, sometimes reaching into the 100,000s to hundreds of dollars. Next up, the Germany 50 euro cent from 2002 without a mint mark. Now, you might be wondering, why is the absence of a mint mark so important? You see, this coin was a bit of an anomaly. Most euro coins have mint marks to indicate the mint where they were struck. But in 2002, during the transition to the euro currency, Germany produced some 50 euro cent coins without any mint marks. Now, let's talk about the coin's value today. Remember, the value of a coin can fluctuate over time due to various factors like demand, condition, and rarity. The Germany 50 euro cent from 2002 without a mint mark can be quite valuable, especially if it's in excellent condition. These coins are sought after by collectors who appreciate their historical significance. Currently, these coins can be valued anywhere from $200,000s of dollars, but keep in mind that prices can vary, and it's essential to get your coin appraised by a professional for an accurate assessment. From time to time, you can find the Germany 50 euro cent from 2002 without a mint mark featured in heritage auctions. These auctions provide an excellent platform for collectors to acquire such unique pieces. Feel free to share your experiences in the comments below. And as always, stay curious and keep collecting.